Today I will talk about how can you add speed deal on your Truecaller app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down. Or you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on calls. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So when you go down here, you will find here speed deal, just click on it. So then here can you add contact number on speed deal in this list on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.